Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for English. Start by quickly scanning your syllabus and notes to identify the most crucial topics. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, focus on headings, bolded terms, and summaries. Prioritize areas where you feel weakest or know will be heavily tested. This initial scan helps you create a targeted study plan for the limited time you have. Next, narrow your focus to the core elements. For literature, this means understanding main characters, key plot developments, and overarching themes. For writing, review common essay structures, such as a 5-paragraph essay and typical prompt types. Make sure you can identify and explain literary devices like metaphors or similes, as these are often central to analysis. Now, put your knowledge into practice. Instead of writing full essays, outline responses to a few potential essay questions. Jot down your main points and supporting evidence. Write short, focused paragraphs on key themes or character analyses. Also, practice identifying literary techniques within short passages, explaining their purpose and effect. This active recall is highly effective. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest the night before your exam. A clear mind is crucial. During the test, stay calm and manage your time effectively, allocating appropriate time to each section. Trust in the preparation you've done, even if it was last minute. You've focused on the essentials, and that targeted effort will serve you well.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.